Can a burger be a gourmet meal?
Stick around to find out. We start with the meat. 1 kilogram of Black Angus chuck, about 25% fat. And I want to split this into 8 equal. It's 1, 2. I want them to be 125 grams each. So I'm going to use my kitchen scales here. That was a little bit too big. And don't manipulate the meat too much, because then your burger patties, they will become hard, and that is not very nice when we are finished. So just squeeze them into a nice ball, but don't massage them too much. Perfection. When we are finished with this, we're going to put them in the fridge to make sure they are absolutely cold before we get them to the grill.
Why?
Because then they keep juicy when you cook them, when you put them on there. If they are too warm, then they will start losing all the juices, and then you get a dry burger. Nobody wants a dry burger. We start with the bacon. I have here 2 slices of homemade pepper bacon. There is a link down below how to make that. Just want to crispen that up first so that they are ready. Nice sizzle. They are ready to come out. I have a piece of paper here so they get nice and crispy. And then it's time to start our buns. Beautiful homemade burger buns. Made them yesterday. There's a link down below how to make them. And then I have some homemade mayonnaise. That's a little good trick here. Give the buns a coating of mayonnaise instead of butter. That caramelizes nicely, and it gives great flavor to the buns. And they go straight where the bacon was. There we go. It's just beautiful. We want to toast them nicely. I think we are there. Look, they got a nice crust here. I'm going to leave them up here on a rack so that they will keep warm while we do the burgers. I have here 2 tablespoons of clarified butter. That's going to give a nice taste to this. And just spread that around a little bit. Perfect. And then on with our patties. And then a little trick here, piece of parchment paper. And then you want to smash your burger, because otherwise it sticks to the spatula. That's got a nice size. And then take number 2, and do the same. And then we want to season them with salt, sea salt. And I think I'm only going to do one side because they're not so thick. And then a little bit of black pepper, not too much, because I know you don't like it. And now we let them go until they get brown on the edges. Now they are ready to be flipped. And look at that. That is the crust you want to see. And that's what you can only get with a smash burger like this, where you smash it on the pan. We want to give this a slice of cheese on each of them. And let that melt. Look at the sizzle around there. That looks just fantastic. They look done to me, so now it's time to stack them up here. It's just beautiful. Get them on the board. Take our buns. And we are ready to assemble. On the bottom, we're going to add a nice spoon of our homemade burger sauce. There's a link down below how to make that. It's an excellent burger sauce. Beats anything you can buy. And then we want to put some crispy green, piece of lettuce, like this. And then our patties. Oh, this is going to be a tower of goodness. I want to add our bacon actually first. That's what I want right now. I want the bacon on this here, looking good. A little bit of red pickled onion. This is also homemade, and there's also a link down below how we made that. I will put the gherkins on the side because I know you're not a big fan.
Thank you.
Some nice tomato here. Let's say 3. I think that looks good. Oops. Yeah, it's gonna be fine. And a little bit more sauce on the top bun. And there you have it, a perfectly executed, luscious, gourmet smash burger. This is way too big to deal with by hands.
Yeah, in front of the camera. But trust me, afterwards, we're gonna be savages.
With sauce running down our arms. Let's give this a taste. The buns are perfect. The burger sauce is excellent. The smash burgers themselves, they're juicy. It's just the perfect smash burger.
Well, I was never fond of, hamburgers from these fast food joints. But this, the homemade one, it is a gourmet meal.
Give it a shot.